Hi, friends. I wanted to share with you how I plan my 2025 goals and to make sure that I can reach all of them. So let's get started. The first thing I did was grab paper, or here I use a digital sheet, and just scribbled some of the first things that came to mind for big goals that I want to make sure to do. From there, I went ahead and I used one of these little charts where you fill with the color of each section how satisfied you are. And then in within the gap, you can write what would bring it all the way to feeling fully satisfied. And then from there, I got a few more other ideas that I added here at the bottom for things that I want to do in 2025. From there, I grabbed this SMART goals worksheet. And with the SMART goals worksheet, which is from this company, I don't know, I didn't make this, but I found it online. Credit to them. And I went ahead and I wrote to some of the goals. So, have like, do my wedding and get healthy because I got pretty mold sick and, have a clothing line and meditate 1 hour a day, all that. So, for example, here on Meditate, I write the goal with as specific as possible, make it specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Then I write my purpose on why I'm doing it. Then my challenges, the things that might come up, resources and skills. And then I write the key steps on which steps I need to take to make it possible to complete. And I'll print these, so I'll write these by hand, the start date, completion date. Here, there's the completion date and any measurements. So I went ahead and I did one of these for each goal, which I ended up having 10 goals. And then I went ahead and I made a little collage, a little vision board of one image per goal. And then I went ahead and I had ChatGPT. I pumped in all the things I wrote and I had it write daily, weekly, and this month for each month of the year. So then I can very clearly see just 1 month, like kind of screenshot, like picture of like what I need to do for that month without, having to look at everything, which is kind of overwhelming. And then I printed out, like I said, these little SMART goal worksheets, and I printed out the vision board image of my goals just as a quick way. Sometimes the worksheets they can get kind of lost, all the text and stuff. So I like having the image. For me, the images are super important. And I put this in my art studio where I see it every day. And from there, I can kind of write on it with a pen and check off the measurements and the steps and all that. And I printed off the January one, the first one, and I taped it on the wall right next to my calendar where I do my daily planning and all that. And I'll update this as the months go by. So for example, February, I would replace this page with the February one, etc. And that way I'm able to complete all my goals, hopefully, try my best. And yeah, this is a kind of way that I'm working right now. Just want to share with you guys how I'm working to manifest some of these goals, and maybe someone will find it helpful. If you look up SMART goal worksheet, you can probably find the same one. Um, I didn't make that one, but it's great. And then yeah, just I use looking up images on Google, or I use some AI image generators for ones that were kind of more specific, just to make a quick kind of specific image. And yeah, and now it's all kind of organized. It kind of takes it into these big concepts and makes it into more bite-sized pieces of yeah, what to do each month, what to do each day, what to do weekly. I hope this helped, and I hope everybody achieves all their goals. Lots of love to all of you.